Today, we're playing a drone search and rescue competition for the first ever Pilot Institute Desk Trophy.
3 pilots will fly 3 missions to find 3 missing persons.
The player with the best overall time today will take home the trophy to display on their desk in all its glory.
The 2 with the slowest time are gonna have to walk all the way back to the office.
Which, according to Google Maps, is about a 2.5-hour walk.
That's a walk of shame.
I know, right? I'm excited.
The competition starts now.
This is not east. Definitely not.
Oh yeah, Greg's screwed. Am I going the wrong way? No. Well,
You just passed 4 minutes. You've got 1 minute left.
All right, come on, come on. No way I was gonna find him if he's hiding under a tree.
silly me.
All right, players. In each round, you'll be given a scenario with the last known whereabouts of each missing person.
The missing person will be wearing a bright yellow safety vest and a pink and blue camo hat to make you spot them easier.
Once the drone is in the air, all features are at your disposal, including a compass, zoom, and thermal.
You'll have a total of 5 minutes to fly. Once you give visual confirmation of the target, your time will stop.
The first person you'll be looking for today is Bo.
Good luck. You guys are never gonna find me.
Greg, you're first. Let's get to it.
Do it.
All right, Greg, you're first up, first flight.
Sounds good.
You found the X-Files?
Long time ago.
Yeah, the truth is out there, and so is Bo, waiting for you to find him.
Made it to my spot where my sleeping bag is.
All the info you need is in the Pilot Institute fanny pack. Your time starts now.
All right, let's do it. Round 1, you are searching for a lost hiker named Where I Am, not to be confused with his cousin, Will. He was last seen around 7:30 a.m. walking in the direction of the sun. He was carrying a yellow sleeping bag. If you spot it, you're getting close. Good luck.
All right, drones in the air, under a minute. All right, Greg, so what's your strategy here, first flight?
I'm gonna try to find the person. Well, I'm gonna split the screen between the thermal and the non-thermal and the RGB camera. All right, I'm heading east now. I'm gonna be looking for that yellow bag.
I can't quite see them, but I can tell where they are.
Thermal is gonna be tough because it's kind of, middle of the day right now.
Greg might have a little bit of a challenge.
Ah, come on, where's this thing? Where's this yellow bag?
The drone is pretty much right on top of me.
Oh, there's the bag, okay. He's gotta be close to that somewhere. Hopefully he sees me or hears me. I'm gonna go fly on top of it just so he can see me.
Oh, he just flew a little bit past me.
How far out is he?
You just passed 4 minutes. You've got 1 minute left.
1 minute, all right.
All right, here we go. He is very close again.
All right, come on, come on. Oh, I see him. Found him.
Time stopped. Let's return to home. Well, Greg, congratulations. You finished round 1 under 5 minutes.
I don't know if that was good or not, but
We'll see what happens next when dawn comes up. Go see Ethan. We'll see you down there.
So how do you think you did?
that was tough. That was
Really?
definitely tough. Yeah, IR was useless. The only time I saw him is when he moved from under the tree.
How do you think the others are gonna do?
Depends if he does the same spot. We'll see. They'll probably have the same issue that I have.
All right, Dawn, round 1, first flight for you.
Okay, I'm ready now.
Time starts now.
Looks like they're getting ready to go. Let's go, Don.
And drone is up. So which direction are you going?
It looks like the sun is to the south-southwest, so that's the direction that I'm flying right now. 7:30 a.m. in the direction of the sun.
So that's where they are over there. They're heading away from me, though.
Man, he's gotta be out here somewhere.
Where is he going?
I'm just wondering if I'm going the wrong direction, if I'm lost.
All right, seems like they're having a little bit of trouble for sure.
Hang on, wait a second. So he was heading to the sun, 7:30 a.m. I need to turn around. I'm going in the wrong direction.
All right, so the drone just flew back. We'll see what happens.
I think I found him. I see the guy in the pink hat.
Time is stopped. Finished round 1. Even though you were flying in the wrong direction at first, you corrected your mistake and you found Bo.
Yeah, that's what I do. I correct mistakes.
Go see Ethan. We'll see you for round 2.
Don, first round's done. How do you think you did?
I'm going by process of elimination. If a person is lost, they're gonna wanna be in an open area. Fortunately for me, got over the tree, I saw movement, and I found him.
All right, Jason, you're last up for the first flight of the day.
Yes.
You ready for this?
Yeah, do I get to hear how everybody else did first?
You do not. Bo has been out there a while.
Still waiting to be rescued. It's time for a snack.
He is ready for you to find him.
Good, because I'm going to find him.
Let's hope so, because I'm almost out of almonds.
Time begins Now. And drone is up.
So I'm going east here and just doing a simple grid search. The idea here is to start at the top of the hill and work our way down. And I'm looking for a yellow sleeping bag here, so I'm utilizing the zoom camera. If I see something of interest, I'm gonna zoom in on it like that. Right there. Oh, that's a tree branch.
I can hear the drone.
Oh,
What do you got?
yellow sleeping bag. Person should be close. Might be him with the IR there, but I'm gonna switch back over to zoom. Oh yeah, for sure. Got
Time
it.
has stopped. All right, that was the last flight of round 1.
Get to see how everybody else did.
That's right. Go see Ethan. We'll see you for round 2.
Round 1 done. How do you think you did?
I think I did all right.
And you were using a strategy.
Yeah, grid pattern. It's pretty common in search and rescue, so it seemed to work pretty well.
Let's head down the hill, tally up your scores.
That is a wrap on round 1. Let's see how everybody did.
The difference between first and third place was only 32 seconds. And third place with a time of 4 minutes, 28 seconds, Greg. Second place finished with a time of 4 minutes and 13 seconds, Don. Which means Jason is our current first place holder at 3 minutes, 56 seconds. There are 2 more rounds, so it's still anyone's game.
Let's get to round 2. Dawn, you're gonna be up first.
Don, you ready for round 2?
I'm born ready.
You're just a few seconds behind Jason, and you're gonna go and look for Ben this time.
It's getting hot. I'm hungry.
And your time starts now.
A distress call has been received from Cartman San Diego, the brother of the famous Carmen. Where in the world is Cartman San Diego? Play the last recording on the phone. Listen closely.
I'm stuck in the woods. I think I may have broken my leg. My legs hurt. Oh, my leg. I was headed southwest over a hill with a little snow on it. I dropped a red sleeping bag somewhere.
All right, he's out there somewhere.
Yep, he sure is.
Help me, my leg.
And the wind is kicking up, so I'm seeing tree movement in my periph. I'm looking for snow on the ground. There's a little bit. I know he's just past the hill.
Come on, Don, I'm hungry.
And I'm looking for a red sleeping bag. I saw a little bit of snow on the ground. This is not good.
It's about to be a real search and rescue in a minute. About to starve to death.
Is it the red sleeping bag, right?
Yeah. Okay, you just passed 4 minutes. You got a minute left.
I don't think I can wait anymore. I'm gonna order a pizza.
Okay, I found the sleeping bag right there.
Yep. Okay, he's gonna be close.
Can I get an order for delivery, please?
Yes, it's really hard to find.
Okay, you got 30 seconds left.
I can't find the person. Well, there's lots of shadows too, so that's masking a few things. I just can't see him.
10 seconds.
Yeah, this is hard. I can't find him.
3, 2, 1.
Dang.
Bring it back and land.
All right.
How do you think you did?
Well, I didn't finish, so that sucks.
Yeah,
Right?
I guess so.
Just hard to find.
Jason and Greg still haven't gone yet. Why don't you head down the hill, get ready for round 3.
All right.
Don, you never found me. What happened?
I blame it on the wind.
Okay.
It was really hard to tell the movement on the ground from the movement in the trees.
How do you think the other's gonna do?
I think they're gonna run into the same problems I had.
Okay, we'll see. Head down the hill.
Okay.
Jason,
What up, what up?
you ready for round 2?
Yeah.
So you're in a small lead. Ben's out there. Try to find him. Hand on your zipper.
Let's do it.
Your time starts now.
I was headed southwest over a hill with a little snow on it.
All right, headed southwest here, looking for a red sleeping bag. Let's flip over to IR here. Oh, that's not gonna be helpful. That is a tree. Alrighty, there's something red down there. That's a sleeping bag, all right.
Should be close.
Should be close.
Assume.
And that right there is a rock, not a Ben. Is that him?
Time stop.
Is he eating pizza?
What?
All right, I'm coming back.
Jason, round 2 done.
It's tough, but got through it.
You were in first going into round 2. We'll see how you did. Head down the mountain. Greg's up next.
Alrighty.
All right, Jason, you finished round 2. You found me.
I did. You bring me pizza?
There's 2 slices left, maybe. So how do you think you did?
You were tough to spot, but I think I did all right.
And how do you think the others did?
I think you're gonna do all right. Thermal's terrible right now.
Head down the hill. We'll catch you soon.
Greg, You're ready for your second flight?
Round number 2.
Jason is in the lead just by a small amount. Are you ready?
Hand on the zipper.
Okay, your time starts now.
Round 2. Let's go find Fartman. Southwest from the parking lot. Snow. Oh, I see a red sleeping bag. So he should be close to here.
Oh, I see him. I see him. Does he see me?
Red sleeping bag is right
that's
here.
it.
Oh, I think I see him. Let me confirm. He's in the shade. Oh, I see him. He's right there. Found him.
There he is. Let's bring it in for a landing.
Yes, sir.
All right, you finished with time to spare.
Nice.
Still think you're gonna take the lead?
Heck yeah.
Head down the mountain, we'll see you for round 3.
Sounds good.
All right, Greg, so that was round 2. You found me.
I did. Once I found the red bag, I saw you moving, and then based on the information from the voicemail, that helped too.
How do you think the others are going to do?
Not as good.
Not as good, you think?
I'm hoping. No, I think they'll do well.
Head back to camp and we'll catch up with you.
Let's do it.
All right, round 2, let's see how everybody did.
All right, first and second place overall times are within 10 seconds of each other. You can't get closer than that. I guess you could. Don wasn't able to finish this round, unfortunately, so he's capped out at 5 minutes for round 2. You can still make it back, though. I believe in you. The second fastest time of round 2 was a total of 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Not too bad. The player with the fastest time of round 2, 3 minutes, 47 seconds, and that player was Greg. All right, nice job, nice job.
Adding up all the overall times, there's only a 9-second lead that Jason has over Greg. You'll each have one final round to go.
Jason, you're starting the final round for us. All right, Jason, you are first up, last round of the day.
Oh, that means all I got to do is hold.
You have the lead, but it is a small lead. You think you're gonna be able to keep it?
Oh yeah, Greg's not that good.
Well, Ethan is out there for you this time.
Ooh-wee. I don't think he's taken off yet, but I'm in position.
Best flight of the day. You got this?
All right, yeah, I got this.
All right, hand on your zipper. Time begins now.
Round 3, time to answer the long-ass question of where's Wally, the British twin to the American Waldo. Wally left the parking lot on foot, heading south for the river. South. He was carrying an orange emergency blanket, which he left somewhere along the way. He's somewhere near the river. Can you find him? All right, I'm going that way. Let's get to it. All right, and now I am headed south, taking a quick look at the river, looking for Ethan.
Ethan's out there somewhere.
Where are you?
Down over here by the river, doing a little dancing.
I am still following the river. I'm not seeing anything of interest just yet. Nice and high above it. Still got line of sight. This is an emergency blanket. I believe it's orange, a clue we were given here. Right, there's something reflective over here. It could be the blanket. Oh no, that's the blanket for sure.
All right, there's that.
Now where is Ethan?
I'm not a dancer. I was a dancer in my previous life.
Where is Ethan? Where is he? I see some movement here on the thermal. I'm gonna switch back over to the EO and zoom in. Yep, that's him. That's him for sure.
Time stopped. Return to home. All right, back from the final flight of the day.
Final flight.
You did pretty good, I'd say.
Oh yeah, Greg's screwed.
All right, well, Greg is up next. Why don't you head down the hill? We'll get him up here.
Roger that.
All right, Greg.
Let's do it.
Last flight.
Okay.
You're currently in second place.
All right.
But you're only 9 seconds behind Jason, so
Okay.
you're in pretty good shape.
All right.
Ethan's out there somewhere.
I'm by a tree by a cold river. 'Tis a bit nipply.
Let's find him.
Your time starts now.
All right, 9 seconds. Take off.
Drone is up. A little after 30 seconds.
We're gonna look down. Here's the creek, and southbound would be in this direction. So here's the creek right here.
It's actually pretty.
We're gonna be looking for a safety blankie. Let's switch to zoom. Whoa, too much. All right, so southbound would be turning this way, so I'm just gonna keep going. I'm gonna get over the creek a little bit better. And let's see.
The babbling brook. Or creeping crick.
Okay, I think I see something orange It's a blanket. So this is a good hint.
Oh, I see him. I don't think he sees me yet.
No, I think I see him. Found him.
Time is stopped. Whew, that was a pretty good time. All right, Greg, final flight down. You did pretty well. That could be the run that you needed.
That was pretty awesome. That a lot quicker than the others.
All right, head down the hill. We'll see you down there.
Let's do it.
All right, Don. We're down to the final flight. You are in third place, but you're not that far behind. I think you can pull it off.
I hope so.
Yeah.
I hope so.
You got this. And Ethan is out there waiting for you to find him.
Okay.
Little bored, little hungry. I don't hear a drone yet.
I am ready now.
Hand on your zipper. Time starts now.
So I'm gonna head to the river and I'm gonna go south along the river.
You see the river? Yeah. It's pretty nice, but I don't see the drone yet.
All right, I'm heading south. I'm following the river. We're getting closer.
I think I hear him, just slightly.
Okay, I think I found the blanket. It's right there. The blanket's there. He's gotta be close by. I'm looking.
I think he found me. I did not even see that thing.
Got it, confirmation. Got him.
All right, time is stopped.
Wally!
Let's bring the drone back and recap.
That was quick.
All right, well done. Final flight, and you pulled off a nice one.
Miracle.
Nice job. That was the best one of the day, I would say.
Yeah, barely squeaked out with a win.
I don't know if you've won yet. We'll see down at the bottom of the hill.
Okay.
Head on down. That is a wrap on the competition. Final flight is done. Let's see the final scores.
Don, you put in the best time of the entire competition. 2 minutes, 42 seconds. You beat that 3-minute mark.
Very nice.
Greg had the second best time, 3 minutes, 32 seconds. Broke that 4-minute mark. And Jason was only a few seconds behind.
We can officially declare today's winner with an overall time of 11 minutes, 42 seconds. Wait for it. Jason!
Greg, you finished in second place with an overall time of 11 minutes and 47 seconds.
Woo-hoo!
And Don, 11 minutes and 55 seconds.
So you know what that means. Jason, you get to come back with us.
You guys, we'll see you back at the office. Have a fun walk.
See ya.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. We'll see you guys at the office.
Yeah, I'll give you a piggyback ride. There you go.